This is Deepthi again at you, and today the software that I'm going to talk about is called the Image Cache Viewer, and which is a free utility that locates images from your web browser's cache and it displays all the information about the images. So let's take a look at what the software does. And right now I'm opening the tool, the Image Cache Viewer, and here's how it goes. Here we have the URL of the image, all the images, the web browser, the content type, whether it is image or GIF or whatever, and all the image format and all it gives. So then it gives you the image time, what time it was created, the browsing time, what time you went and browsed for it, the file size, and the file name, if you want to give it a file name or something. So total it found were 821 images. Now let's see, if I select an image, it will give when I click on an image, it shows the image in this window. It will show it in this window. So let me see, let's say I click on this image. So see, this is the image that it is showing. So if you want, you can save it in another web browser from it shows in Internet Explorer, Chrome and Firefox. It only supports these three browsers, and see, it's a PNG image, so it shows it in this window. And if you want, you can just copy it or cut paste it, and you can save it locally. So this is what the software does basically. And you can it also allows users to view the image within the program's interface, open the URL of the image, and save the image locally, as I mentioned to you. If you want, you can open it and you can save it, open the URL. This is the URL of the image, and let's say if you want to open it, see, it says, it gives the URL for web browser, Firefox, content type image, PNG file, image time, the time it was created, browsing time is right now, and browsing, file size, and file name if you want to give it. So this is all the software does. And if you, and here you have some other tabs like file, edit, if you want to edit an image, copy image or something, then view, you can view, show grid lines, show tooltips, mark odd even rows and all that. And then options, it shows in show time in GMT. Advanced options, you can have scan default cache folders, like in Internet Explorer, Firefox and Chrome, and show only cache files from the last. So if you want, you can cache it. Let's say you want to cache Chrome. So let's say this, you say show only items that their URL contain the following strings, comma, delimited list. So you can cache it like that. It will cache all the images. So basically scan, let's say custom folders if you do, and you can give the name of the folder here, and it will cache all the files. Let's say show only cache from the last, let's say 1 hour if you want to do that, or let's say 5 hours if I want to do show only the, let's not do this. So see, it's now caching it all the files that were done in the last 5 hours. So that's what it does basically. So, and you can have it as a URL file. URL is here, and web browser and all that you can get. So guys, this is all what the software does, and I think it's a great utility tool. And you can also make use of it. If you are using Firefox, Chrome or Internet Explorer browsers, then you can use this tool, and it will be quite a help to you. And I hope you download it from the link that I provide you in my YouTube channel. So that's about it. That's about all that Image Cache Viewer does. It's a small utility but a very handy one, and it's a free tool, and you can download it from my link. And I hope to see you again with another great presentation. Thanks for watching my video. Okay, bye.